those days, we buy a plant in Nigeria. This is my first opportunity to go to overseas to buy a complete mill and move the mill to India in Maharashtra. This experience, I got the idea how to buy a machines in overseas. I go to Europe as a technical consultant. I go on behalf of my customers and I will choose the right machine. I select the good condition machines and I will give them the solution how to make this machine like a new machine. Some part of modernization or reburnishing or upgradation or changing some electronic components, upgrading the drive systems or upgrading the drafting systems. This how to make it as a perfect, like using the skeleton and making the machine as a new machine, or using the existing machine with the matching the quality to the new machine, or helping the machine by the support of the back process or supporting by the winders to fulfill the demand of the customers with the new project matching with the used machinery project or partially new and old. These all combinations we design based on the need of the customer, demand from the customer, their customers base, all these things. My name is Earnest. I am from Tirunelveli district, South India. I brought up in Rajapalayam. My father had a very good mechanical mind. So he is a mechanical engineer. So he was developing so many things like a radio, TV. When I was in school days, 70s. He's good in electronics, he's good in electrical, he's good in mechanical. So God's gift, I got the same mechanical mind, electronic mind from my dad. So it helps me to learn the textile machineries, operating the textile machineries, maintaining the textile machineries, about yarn production, about fabric production in my school days. In 95, I left my jobs and I started my own in the name of Martina Textile Project Services. In the year 2012, I got a surprise call from the company called Kinex Slovakia. They are one of the monopoly in textile special bearings and also monopoly in special industrial bearings, which is European standards, British standards, highly quality-based manufacturer of bearings, special bearings. They give me an opportunity to be a all India distributor for this, their all products, especially textile bearings. So Kinex is a company, they have a rich experience, more than 120 years experience, and no compromise on the quality of the raw material and manufacturing standards. So confidently I can able to suggest Kinex product in the market. So I decided to do all this in the name of Earnest India Trading Company. In the year 1995 to 2015, I was keep on working like this. But to minimize my travel, I decided to start up a small spinning mill in Coimbatore, in Arasur in the year 2004. We buy a land, we start the construction of our own plant. We start with weaving, Zulzur projectile looms to make a bed linen for the high-end market in US. Bed Bath Beyond, like famous brands, source the fabric from India. We are vendors for the branded companies doing the work, supplying the fabric. And later on, I want to think better, we will make our own yarn to meet out the demand, quality as well as the price demand. So we set up our open end spinning machines and we start producing the open end yarn, and we are making a fabric in 20s, supplying for the bed sheets, covers, screen cover, window covers, door covers, table mats, for Karur made up items, terry items, terry towel items, so many things. Then we decided the market was good for the finer count. We set up our ring spinning plant in the year 2014. So our factory became a weaving, open end and spinning, all process. And slowly we established our business in manufacturing of cotton yarn, manufacturing of cotton fabrics, manufacturing of recycled yarn. In open end, we use the complete recycled material for making a excellent quality of yarn to meet out the customers. And also, in my spinning mill, we have more than 10 open machines, 100,000 RPM. So, Kinex is able to take the real trial as a pilot plant here to see the performance, life, heat generation, quality of the yarn, quality of the fabric, because we have a composite mill over here to help them to give the accurate feedback for developing their products. In fact, now Kinex is coming with the solution for low RPM bearings, 85,000 RPM bearings, 100,000 RPM bearings, 105,000 RPM bearings, and helping the customer who run 85,000 RPM, no need to go for 105,000 RPM, paying high price. He can go with a low price and save a lot of money out of it.
Today, we at Earnest India Trading Company, with our techno-commercial knowledge, help our customers in sourcing, buying, and importing all types of used textile machinery from all over the world. EIT's reputation led us to become the channel partner for Kinex Bearing and authorized distributor and stockist.